All right. You've been working hard for years saving your cash for a down payment, and now you're ready to buy your dream home. You go to the bank and apply for a home loan, and they tell you that you can't use your cash savings for your down payment. What? Major setback, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over the steps you need to take to keep that nonsense from ruining your dream, so stay with me. Hi, my name is Lucian Valancourt, and I'm the broker and owner of Native Sun Realty here in sunny Jacksonville, Florida. Today I want to cover something lurking in all mortgage applications known as sourcing and seasoning of funds. It's a problem encountered by homebuyers who plan to use cash in a mortgage transaction. In fact, cash deposits cause more problems and scrutiny for homebuyers trying to secure mortgages today than any other credit item. Using cold hard cash is something that most buyers wouldn't think twice about. Hey, it's your money, right? Why can't you use it? You might have even recently deposited that cash into a bank account, but no, that's not enough. Those nosy lenders will want to know where that money came from and how you got it. First, let's cover sourcing. Funds that are sourced can be traced back to their origin. When an underwriter sources the money to be used for a down payment, they are determining where it came from. Did the money come from the buyer's regular income? Did it come from a 401k withdrawal? A gift from a family member? The sale of a car or a boat? Or did it magically appear out of nowhere? The lender will want to know this. That is the reason for sourcing. Now let's talk about seasoning. No, I don't mean sprinkling a little salt and pepper on your greenbacks. Funds that are seasoned have been in your bank account for a certain period of time. The general rule is 60 days, but that can vary from one lender to the next. Some require at least 90 days of seasoning. That is why people who save money at home often face more obstacles when applying for a mortgage because their cash savings haven't been seasoned. The cash is what lenders refer to as mattress money. So why do lenders care about sourcing and seasoning? Well, the lender wants to make sure you aren't obtaining cash from somewhere on a short-term basis simply to meet the cash-to-close requirement of the loan. In other words, they want to see that you've saved up your money for your down payment by being financially responsible and not through some last-minute borrowing such as cash advance or a payday loan. Mostly, lenders are looking for any unusual deposits that do not originate from the regular sources of income shown on your application. So if you have a sudden and significantly large deposit outside of your normal banking patterns, you'll probably have to provide an explanation of where that money came from. These deposits must be sourced with canceled checks, bank statements, or other documents that show the origination of the funds. For example, let's say you receive an insurance settlement or a tax refund check. Be sure to deposit the full amount of the check and don't add any other cash to the deposit. The idea is to show a match between the amount of the check and the deposit. If you want to get some cash out after the deposit, that's fine. Now, let's talk about mattress money. You know what I'm talking about, the stash of 50s and 100s you have stuck under the mattress. Maybe in a shoebox behind a suitcase in the walk-in closet, under a loose slat in the floorboard, in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. No matter where it is, for the purpose of this video, let's call it mattress money. The problem with mattress money is that it cannot be sourced. So unless you have enough cash to flat out purchase the home without financing, that cash cannot be used in a real estate transaction. So what's a cash-rich buyer to do? Simple. Deposit the money into your bank account as soon as possible and let it season for at least 2 bank statement cycles. In most cases, lenders will ask for your last 2 monthly bank statements. If the funds have been seasoned in there for 60 days and appear on both statements, then there should be no issues when you apply for your loan. But what if you have a home under contract and have already applied for your loan? Well, there may be a couple of options available to you depending on your qualification limit and other funds you may have available that the lender will allow. Option 1. If you have sufficient funds in a 401k account, then the easier thing to do would be to take a loan out on your 401k. These loans are very easy to do and usually have very low fees, if any. Use this money to meet the cash-to-close requirement of the loan. Once you close and take possession of the home, just repay the 401k with the cash the lender wouldn't allow you to use. Problem solved. Option 2. Finance a greater portion of the purchase price and take a loan with mortgage insurance. Let's say your plan was to only finance 80% of the purchase price to avoid the mortgage insurance, but the lender wouldn't allow enough of your own funds due to problems with sourcing. Just take a loan with mortgage insurance and after closing, use your cash to pay down the loan balance so the loan to value is less than 80%, which eliminates the need for mortgage insurance. The downside to this is that even though your loan balance has been reduced to 80%, your monthly mortgage payment will only be reduced by the amount of the mortgage insurance premium. The upside is that your loan will be paid off sooner than the original 30-year term because of the reduced principal balance that remains to be paid. These are just two workarounds that may allow you to move forward with your home purchase. However, the best way to avoid sourcing and seasoning problems is to plan ahead and prepare your finances for the scrutiny under the lender's magnifying glass. This preparation should include consulting a real estate or mortgage professional before beginning your home search. They will let you know what to expect and guide you through the process so you can avoid the pitfalls that could derail your transaction. If you're considering purchasing a home, please call me at 904-994-0493 or send me an email at lucian@nativesunrealty.com. I'll be happy to schedule a consultation with you and provide you with expert advice on how to go about getting the best price with the least amount of stress and within your time frame. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos with more helpful real estate tips and information. Until then, this is Lucian Valancourt with Native Sun Realty, helping you find your place in the sun.